all, how much can one earn from a faceless channel? 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, or even 10 lakh? If I say that this is nothing compared to some channels, you might not believe me. There are channels that generate significant revenue solely from ad revenue. Hey, will you guys believe this claim of mine? I know most people won't believe it, which is why I've brought all the proof with me. So guys, if you check the income of this channel on Social Blade, it will show an amount that seems impossible. Social Blade often shows incorrect estimates. But wait a minute, if you look at the total views of this channel and calculate the RPM at a minimum of $1, our basic calculation reveals that this channel has generated significant revenue, and that too without any sponsorships, affiliate links, or course selling. This channel produces videos in which a polar bear gets into an accident in a snowy area. Some rescuers arrive, clean his wounds, save him, and leave after providing him with some food. It has a unique storyline that keeps the audience engaged until the end. Now, you must be thinking that making such videos is very difficult. That's why there's little to no competition in this niche right now. Guys, this is definitely challenging, but if you watch this video till the end without skipping, you'll realize how easy it actually is. So, let's get started without wasting any more time. As we begin the video, let me tell you that when I created a video like this for the first time, it took me around 6 to 7 hours just to generate the prompts. I then thought, if creating all the stories and images takes this much time and effort, what's the point? So, I worked a bit more and created 2 specific prompts. Using these prompts, you'll be able to generate unlimited stories and story-related image prompts, all within a minute. You will find these prompts in the description. First, copy the first prompt into ChatGPT. Now, you might be wondering why there is so much text in this prompt. Well, this is a detailed prompt in which everything is explained thoroughly. Just copy and paste it. You don't need to put in much effort this way. In the first prompt, you'll get 10 story ideas with all the details, such as how the accident happens, where the injuries occur, and what color uniform the rescue team will wear. Then, copy the second prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. But wait right now, we don't need to generate it. After removing this paste story idea, copy the idea you want to use for the video, then paste it in its place and generate it. The prompt simply states that for this story idea, we need 20 images. Additionally, some details are provided for each image, such as camera angles, uniform colors, and the environment. You can see how detailed the prompt is, covering where the accident will happen, where the rescuers will come from, and how the treatment will be done. All the details are already included. Now that we have the prompts, our next step is to generate the images. First, copy the prompt and search for Piclumen AI. There is hardly a better site than this for generating images. Log into the site, and you'll see an interface like this. Here, you need to switch the model to Flux. Change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your image will be generated. Save the image in PNG format and download it. After pasting the second prompt, copy the seed number from the first image and paste it here to generate the next one. Repeat this process to generate all the images one by one. The specialty of this site is that it can generate 20 images in about 5 minutes, and the quality is amazing. Plus, you can generate unlimited images with a single Gmail ID. One thing to note is that sometimes you might get black bears by mistake. If that happens, don't worry. Just replace bears with polar bears in the prompt, and everything will work perfectly. Once all the images are generated, it's time to bring them to life. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for has finally arrived. To convert these images into a video, we will use Hailuo AI. Upon signing up for the first time, you'll receive 1,100 credits, which is more than enough to generate videos. Click on the Create button, upload an image, and then copy the prompt for that same image and paste it here. After that, click Generate. It will take 30 credits per image, meaning 600 credits will be required for 20 images. Similarly, upload all the images one by one. Once this process is complete, you'll see the amazing video that has been created. Wow, isn't it look amazing? Download the video, and after all the videos are downloaded, make sure to check that they've been generated correctly. For video editing, open CapCut and import all the clips. Arrange them in the correct order. There's not much editing to do, but instead of a watermark, add a text box and write, "Thanks for watching," or the name of your channel. Adjust it properly and then add some sound effects like a helicopter to enhance the experience. Keep the editing simple so that the audience can focus more on your story. Once done, review the video to ensure everything is in place. After watching and confirming, export the video in high quality. Before uploading the video, I'll share some important settings with you. Set the channel category to Entertainment and use rapid tags to find and apply some of the most searched tags for better visibility.